I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. Feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead, yeah. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Slap myself around just to feel any pain. And if it do any good, you know I'd do it again and again. You know these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never replied.
登山健行爬雪山
Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind, that's you on the line. If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past where we ran out of gas years ago, so I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go if you're reading this now.